In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Omnisend for Shopify. To begin, open your Shopify admin. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the Settings area. This is where you can access important store options, including app management. From there, click on Apps. Inside the Apps section, open the Shopify App Store so you can search for the tool you want to connect to your store. In the Shopify App Store, search for Omnisend Email Marketing and SMS. Make sure you select the correct app so you are installing the official Omnisend integration for Shopify. When you find it, click Install App. Shopify will then guide you through the setup prompts. At this stage, you will either log into your existing Omnisend account or create a new one if you have not used Omnisend before. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and allow the connection to complete. This part links your Shopify store with Omnisend, so the platform can work properly with your store data and marketing tools. After the app is installed and connected, click Home in your Shopify admin to return to the main dashboard. From there, go to Online Store and then open Themes. This is where you manage the appearance and features of your live storefront. Next, find your active theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor where you can control different storefront settings and enable app features. On the far left sidebar, select the App Embeds icon. This section is important because many Shopify apps need to be turned on here before they become active on your storefront. Inside App Embeds, locate Omnisend. When you see it, toggle the switch to On. Turning this on enables the Omnisend embed for your current theme, which allows the integration to function correctly on the front end of your Shopify store. Once the toggle is enabled, go to the top right corner and click Save. This confirms the change and makes sure your theme keeps the Omnisend embed active. If you leave without saving, the setting may not be applied, so this final step is important. At this point, Omnisend is installed, connected to Shopify, and enabled in your active theme. That means you are ready to move forward with using Omnisend for your email marketing and SMS setup inside your store. That covers everything you need to know.